So here's how you do an alternator change on a Toyota Avensis. First of all, you want to disconnect the battery. One clip on here, take this panel out, and then you undo the battery terminal. After that, you lift the vehicle up on a jack stand. You place it in this location. You just need it on this side, you don't need it on the other side. Then you take your wheel off. Once you've taken your wheel off, you can take the plastic cover off that's over here. It's just held on by some plastic clips. And then afterwards, you put a 22mm socket on there, or spanner. I've got the ratcheting, swiveling head 22mm spanner that works perfectly with that. And then you just slip the belt off. After that, what you do is take your drive shaft nut out. You need to do this because otherwise the alternator isn't going to clear this opening. So afterwards, take this nut off. It's a 30mm 12-point socket that you need to take this off. And then afterwards, you've got two bolts right here. And what you do is you undo these so they are just about in there, and then you hit the bottom one with a hammer so the drive shaft will pop out. So that's where the two bolts go, and you undo the top one all the way, and then you undo the bottom one just so there's like 2 or 3 threads are in, and then you hit it with a hammer and it will push the drive shaft out. Make sure you have a oil pan underneath as well, just in case, because we've only got one side jacked up, there isn't any drips coming. So once you've got that, what you can do, which I forgot to say, you'll need to take these. There's one bolt and 2 nuts. They are all 3 of them are 17mm. You'll need to take those out, and then you separate the lower arm, and then you hit the drive shaft out. After which, you've got your alternator sitting like this. So what you need to do, crack these 2 bolts open, bolts loose, take the top one out all the way, and then you've got, yes, it's sitting this way, and then you've got your positive. It's a 10mm. Disconnect that, and then you've also got a bracket on here that's got a 10mm bolt in it as well. And then afterwards, what you can do, take the other 2 bolts out. This will drop down, and then you can disconnect the electrical connector, and then this thing will come out perfectly like this. So you've got the 2 tabs at the top, and it will just about fit through this hole over here. And then to refit it, we're going to do exactly the opposite. So if we take a look at the location of the bolts on the new one, we've got one at the top, got a electrical connector. This would be the positive terminal, and then at the bottom we've got 2 more bolts. All 3 of these bolts are 12mm. This one is a 10mm, and this one is just a push type connector, so you push the side and then you pull up. And then there might be something at the top